Another statistical function is the count function. This function counts cells containing numeric values. Since in Excel's internal system, the date is stored as a serial number, so this function also counts the date and time. Value 1 and value 2 are the arguments of this function, which are references to cells or ranges where we want to count cells with numbers. This function accepts a maximum of 255 arguments. The next function is COUNTA. This function counts the number of non-empty cells or filled cells in a range. In other words, it counts cells containing any type of data, including numbers, date or time, text values, and etc. And value 1 and value 2 are the arguments of this function. These two arguments are references to cells or ranges that we want to count non-empty cells. This function accepts at least 255 arguments. To make the function easier to remember, you can call it count all, which means counting all filled cells. The next function is the COUNTBLANK function, which counts the number of empty cells in a range. The argument of this function is range, and it's the range in which the number of empty cells is supposed to be counted. Now let's see the use of these three functions in a table. Suppose we have a number of characters in this column. You will see when we use the count command for this range, it will show us the number of numbers that are in this column. For this interval, we use the COUNTA command. And you will see it counts and shows all the characters. But my friends, let's see when we use the COUNTBLANK command, what will happen. It only shows us the number of empty cells.